Hello friends, welcome to my tutorial introduction. I will teach you on how to configure VLAN in Sophos Firewall with any suite. But in this scenario, I will choose the Cisco suite to configure this VLAN. Let's go to our scenario. Okay, here is our scenario. We have Sophos Firewall. We has connect our Cisco switch with port A, and port A act as strong port, and port 0 on switch is also act as strong port. And I will configure stuff from LAN 1 of Cisco switch, port 1 and port 2 of Cisco switch connect to a staff LAN, and port 3 of Cisco switch connect to visitor LAN or guest LAN. And here is my VLAN for staff with this IP address, and this one is my VLAN for visitor, VLAN 30. So to configure this, you can configure Cisco first, or you can also configure the Sophos first. It depends. I will configure the Cisco first. So I will uh, go to my Cisco. Okay, so here is my Cisco suite. First, you just go to enable. Okay, configure terminal. Okay, okay, and then I want to uh, set VLAN. So I go to VLAN 20, name start. Okay, and then I put VLAN exit. And then I put uh, VLAN 30, name visitor. Okay, and exit. So after you already configure VLAN, you need to configure trunk. So I will choose port 0 as my trunk port, because VLAN work through this trunk. Okay, so to configure trunk, I go to like, okay, already config. Okay, configure interface. Interface terminal. Interface is this one is you use gigabit, you will use interface gigabit. Okay, but for me I use megabit speed, so that's why I type this interface. Okay, 0 0, this one, and then switch trunk and calculate dot do dot 1q, enter. Switch port mode trunk, enter. Okay, and then I write one comment, no shut. Okay, to sell this one, enter. So, and then exit. Okay, so now we already have create the VLAN and trunk. Now I want to apply my VLAN. Okay, my VLAN through this port 1 and port 2 with VLAN 20, and port 3 for VLAN 30. Okay, so to apply, interface is 0/1. Okay, 0/1, enter. Switch access VLAN 20. Okay, switch mode access, enter. Okay, then no shut, enter. Okay, then exit. Okay, so I will configure another interface. Enter is 0/2. Apply for VLAN 20 as well. Switch access VLAN 20 the same. Okay. Switch mode access. Enter. No sub. Okay, so I already apply port 1, port 2 for my VLAN 20. Now I'm going to configure port 3 for VLAN 30. So I use the same command. I it again. Okay, config terminal. I go to interface is 0/3 switch port mode access VLAN 30. Okay, switch port access switch port access VLAN 30 switch port mode access. Enter. No shut. Exit. So our VLAN has been created. Now I need to do right. Save this configuration. Okay, now this. Let me. I want to see my VLAN. Is it to see? So VLAN 3. Okay, so I have VLAN staff 20 active Ethernet port 2 and also VLAN 30 visitor Ethernet port 3. Okay, so now I have it. So after you already configure the switch, let's go to our Sophos Firewall. So I will configure port A as my trunk. Okay, so all the VLAN will go through this port. Okay, now I will go to network interface VLAN. Okay, I will put VLAN 20 stuff or VLAN 20 I put stuff. Okay, like that. And then that our interface will go from port A, choose port A, LAN, VLAN ID 20A1. This VLAN ID you must be put the same as you configure on switch. Static. I will use this IP address. Okay, this IP address is my staff LAN. Okay, so can I go to VLAN whether it have shown or not? Okay, so VLAN 20 has been created. I will create another VLAN 30 for visitor. I will put VLAN 30 visitor. Okay, trunk port A, LAN 30. Okay, this IP make sure that you need to be put the same as what we configure on Cisco. Static. Okay, here is my LAN visitor. You can also put 30 here, no problem. So, okay, so now both VLAN have been created. And then I need to go to the HTTP server to create for both VLAN. You go here, HTTP server, I click add. Okay, then I will put the HTTP stuff interface. You need to choose this VLAN. Then your IP, okay, I can put 50 to 24. Okay, subnet mask, conflict detection, enable. Primary DNS, you can put the DNS of your server. Okay, so okay, after for DHCP stuff, you need to create another DHCP for visitor. Just click add. I will put DHCP that's visitor. This one you can put any name, but interface you have to choose VLAN 30. IP 30, I will put from 50 to 10.10.30.24. Okay, this is same. Enable. Okay, you can put your server DNS. Okay, after you already create the HTTP and VLAN, let's go to our stack, whether the stack already get the IP or not yet. I just open it. Okay, I check over here. Not yet. So let's say we go to command prompt, IP config release IP config something new. You see now this visitor or the staff already get the IP, but it haven't connect to the internet yet because we need to configure the firewall rule first before the staff can access the internet. Now I go to my visitor. Okay, I will do the same thing. CD IP config release, and then review. The LAN IP of the visitor should be 10.10.30. Let's see if the visitor get this IP or not. Okay, you see now our visitor get this IP address. And to allow the staff or visitor access the internet, okay, you go back to your Sophos Firewall. You go to rule and policy. Okay, and then you go to add rule, new firewall rule. And then here you can say internet access. Internet access VLAN. Okay, I will put top and this one I will put to traffic to WAN and source our LAN. This one you can also put any, or if you want to specify your network, you can add your box VLAN in, okay? But I will let it any to go faster. WAN, destination WAN, okay, any. And then this one you need to choose create link NAT rule. And then you go to translation source as NAT. Okay, you change to mask cell. Okay, now the rule has been created. It just takes some time. We take time to complete. The status can be viewed from log view. Okay, just on, I will refresh it. This one when your connection or your device is slow, so it also takes time. Traffic to WAN, internet access VLAN. Okay. Okay, see, after I do this, my Sophos Firewall, I will let me ping google.com. Okay, this stuff can be accessed the internet. Now I go to my staff PC. Okay, I will ping google.com. Okay, so both staff and visitor can be accessed to the internet. Let's see, I ping to staff visitor. In fact, if you want to configure this VLAN, now it's almost complete. But if you want allow the staff to access visitor and visitor access staff, you need to configure another thing, another rule. Let's say I ping for you whether this one is can be connect or communicate or not. Okay, I will put ipconfig/all. Okay, this one is my staff. Oh, staff the same. I will open visitor. I want to ping to show you. Okay, this one is for visitor. ipconfig/all. When I ping, it should not be received. Okay, the IP address is 30.50. Ping 10.10.30.50. It will be timeout. Okay, because I haven't configured anything. If I ping from visitor, 100, it should be timeout. Okay, 100. Okay, why? Because if you want allow both VLAN connect to each other, you need to configure inter VLAN. Okay, or we can say route. But for the new model of the Sophos Firewall, it is easy if we configure inter VLAN. So to configure this, okay, you can go to your, okay, I will go to my Sophos Firewall again. Okay, show me later. I go to host and service. I will create VLAN 20. Okay, VLAN 20 network says 0. Okay, 0. Okay, and then I will add another VLAN. VLAN 30 network rank 10.10.30.0. Okay, and then we search here VLAN. Okay, VLAN 30 and VLAN 20 is here. And then you go to your rule. Okay, this rule we want to apply the inter VLAN to allow both visitor and staff can be accessed. I go to add new firewall rule, and then you will put like VLAN staff, VLAN inter VLAN access, inter VLAN access. Okay, this rule I will put also like on top in traffic internal zone. Okay, or you can leave it like none, no problem. Sure, I will lock fire firewall traffic, and then source you put LAN. Okay, and then this one you need remove any and apply VLAN that you create. VLAN 20 and VLAN 30. This one destination to LAN the same. Then remove this one to VLAN 20 and 30. Right? Okay, I put traffic to internal zone. It should be here. Okay, now let me ping again. You see, now it can be accessed each other. Okay, okay. Okay, so that's all for the lesson. I hope that you find these lessons useful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.